and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. United States Ether exchange-traded funds posted net inflows of $106.6 million on their first day of trading despite massive outflows from Grayscale's freshly converted Ethereum trust. BlackRock's iShares Ethereum Trust ETF led the pack with $266.5 million of inflows, followed closely by the Bitwise Ethereum ETF with $204 million in net inflows. The Fidelity Ethereum Fund ETF came in third with $71.3 million. The inflows to the newborn spot Ether ETFs were enough to overcome bleeding from the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, which saw outflows of $484.9 million on the day, amounting to 5% of the once $9 billion fund. ETHE was launched by Grayscale in 2017, allowing institutional investors to buy ETH. However, it imposed a 6-month lock-up period on all investments. Its conversion to a spot ETF means that investors can more easily sell their shares, which could explain the high day-one outflows. Franklin Templeton, one of the first firms to issue a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund in the United States, is optimistic about more assets powering new cryptocurrency ETFs, including Solana. Besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are other exciting and major developments that we believe will drive the crypto space forward, Franklin Templeton wrote in an X post on July 23rd. Franklin Templeton's statement about potential Solana ETFs came on the same day the company launched its second spot cryptocurrency ETF, the Franklin Templeton Ethereum ETF. The new Ethereum ETF is offered on the Chicago Board Options Exchange's BZX exchange, priced at 0.19% or 19 basis points. Franklin Templeton opted to fully waive fees to 0% until Jan 31st, 2025 for the first $10 billion in fund assets. Defunct crypto exchange Mt. Gox transferred 37,477 Bitcoin worth $2.5 billion at current prices to an unknown wallet address. According to data from blockchain analytics platform Arkham Intelligence, Mt. Gox transferred the 37,477 BTC to a new address at 4:53 a.m. UTC on July 24th. Of that sum, 5,106 BTC were sent through again to a separate cold wallet owned by Mt. Gox. The move comes less than 24 hours after the exchange shifted $2.8 billion in BTC to several wallets on July 22nd, with $340 million being sent to 4 wallets associated with the crypto exchange Bitstamp. Bitstamp is one of the 5 exchanges working with the Mt. Gox trustees to return funds to creditors. As of the time of publication, just over 40% of the Bitcoin owned to Mt. Gox creditors has been distributed, according to data from CryptoQuant. This means that 60%, or around $5.6 billion, is yet to be returned to creditors. Bitcoin miner Riot Platforms has acquired Block Mining, a Kentucky-based crypto mining firm, for $92.5 million to expand its operational resources. The company said in a press release the deal immediately adds 1 exahash per second to its self-mining hash rate, with the potential to add up to a total of 16 exahashes per second by the end of 2025. The acquisition includes a $18.5 million cash payment and $74 million in Riot common stock. Riot also plans to invest an additional $32.5 million through 2025 to enhance block mining's power capacity, which includes 2 operational sites in Kentucky, the press release reads. By the end of 2024, Riot aims to increase block mining's infrastructure to support 110 megawatts for self-mining operations. The acquisition comes a few months after Riot Platforms proposed acquiring its other rival Bitfarms for $950 million. However, Riot subsequently withdrew its proposal, citing an inability to engage with Bitfarms' current board on a potential merger. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day. Tron, the second largest blockchain, has seen a significant increase in transaction count, surpassing Ethereum by 8.1 billion. This impressive increase is a more than 230.6% increase, as Tron's total transaction count has seen a massive rise of 6.4 million transfers over the last 24 hours. Tron's utility continues to expand rapidly, and Ethereum has finally been accepted by Wall Street, as spot Ethereum ETFs have been approved and begun trading on stock exchanges. The rise of Tron in transaction count is likely due to the USDT stablecoin that runs on multiple blockchains, including Ethereum and Tron. Toyota is exploring the use of blockchain technology to improve vehicle management and functionality. The ERC-4337 token standard is being used to develop a new solution called MOA, which separates authentication from key management, ensuring the account remains secure and retrievable even if the private key is lost. This approach makes the system more resilient to device failures. One of the key benefits of MOA is its enhanced programmability and standard interface, which connects seamlessly to various services, allowing for more integrated and efficient management of vehicle data. MOA can support tokenization of rights, turning a vehicle into a service entity that can interact autonomously with other blockchain-based systems. This feature paves the way for fully autonomous vehicles to operate as independent service entities, handling all transaction and rights management within the blockchain ecosystem. Helium Network's HNT token has experienced a significant market rally, rising over 40% to $5 in 7 days. This is due to the growing adoption of the wireless phone service Helium Mobile, which uses the decentralized blockchain network for the Internet of Things to enable devices to communicate and share data through small devices called hotspots. These hotspots serve as wireless gateways, incentivizing owners with HNT tokens for providing network coverage and verifying connectivity. Helium Mobile uses the Helium network by connecting to hotspots, allowing data sharing, communication, and tracking without relying on traditional centralized cellular networks or Wi-Fi networks. The number of Helium Mobile subscribers has increased over 300-fold in 1 year, reaching over 100,000 subscribers. South African fintech startup NeoNomad is set to launch DogeCoin, a rand-backed stablecoin tied to the South African rand. Aiming to bridge the gap between traditional and crypto finance, the stablecoin will cater to both unbanked and banked South Africans, utilizing Solana Pay for instant and low-cost transactions. CEO Harness Bukes describes DogeCoin as a tool for users to take control of their finances, aiming to create a growing financial ecosystem that overcomes challenges like infrastructure and transport. Devon Grattan's COO of NeoNomad stated that the stablecoin and the firm's app will facilitate multiple offerings even in the decentralized finance space. Additionally, the hybrid exchange platform plans to launch an educational program to boost cryptocurrency usage among South Africans, aiming to launch a co-working space for crypto enthusiasts in Cape Town in the last quarter of 2024. The Russian parliament has approved a bill allowing the use of cryptocurrencies in international trade, similar to Iran's practice of allowing trade with domestically mined BTC. This move is seen as a solution for sanctions hit Russia, which has been able to bypass sanctions using crypto. However, the US is expected to limit Russia's use due to its potential to bypass sanctions. US politicians are also expected to distance themselves from anti-crypto stances due to upcoming elections. Venezuela and other countries are already using cryptocurrencies to bypass sanctions. Ethereum, a USDE issuer, plans to invest $235 million in USDT stablecoin from its collateral assets and $45 million from its reserve fund into real-world asset products. This move follows a trend among DeFi protocols, which opts to invest a portion of their reserves into tokenized RWAs due to the relative stability of these assets and the ease of investing directly on-chain. Many funds are already applying for Ethereum's reserve allocation, including BlackRock's BUIDL and securitized tokenized fund BUIDL. BUIDL has emerged as the dominant RWA project due to its association with BlackRock, controlling over 28% of the market and over $500 million in assets under management. That's all this bulletin for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.0 And for more information stories, log on to our website www.3.io or scan the QR code.